Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable two-factor authentication on WeBull application using your mobile device. First of all, open up the WeBull application on your mobile device and log in. Once logged in, from the home page, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the bottom right corner. From the menu option, tap on Settings. Inside Settings, tap on Account and Security. Now scroll a bit down and look for Two-Factor Authentication option under Account and Security and tap on it. Now toggle on the button right next to Two-Factor Authentication. Now once you enable the Two-Factor Authentication, it adds an extra layer of security for your WeBull account designed to ensure that your account can only be accessed on devices you trust. Right after you are done, you can now get back to the home page of WeBull, and that way you can enable two-factor authentication on WeBull application. Once you enable two-factor authentication, whenever prompted, you'll need to enter the code sent by WeBull via SMS or your registered email. So that's how you enable two-factor authentication on WeBull application. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.